Hello, Jaquan. This is Dr. Schwer. I just want to let you know how to see whether or not there are students in the course you want to get into. And I guarantee you that there are seats available in that English class I referred you to. I'm not playing with you. I'm not trying to trick you. There really are seats available. Let me show you how this works. All right, so I have clicked on the words, put in the search box on the Fairmont State website, class schedules, and this is what I come up with. It asks me for what term, and you need to click spring semester 2021. So when I do that, this is what I get. Right now I have to go to English. There's English. And what is the course number? It's 1102. All right. And so I scroll down and go to part of term. And I want regular second 8 weeks. All right, and then I'm going to click class search. And here it is. All right, second 7-week session course runs March 8th through April 23rd. We'll meet face-to-face Mondays and Wednesdays from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. All right, Mondays and Wednesdays. So I click on that, and this is what comes up. And notice, all right, capacity means there are 20 seats available. There is 1 person currently registered, and there are 19 seats remaining. That means there are 19 seats that you could have. All right, maybe I gave you the wrong numbers. Here is the 5-digit number combination you need to type in, 21533. Again, I am not able to show you how to get into your registration screen because I'm not a student. But certainly, if you have a buddy who has done this before, they could show you how to get in there. And you are going to put in this number, 21533. The main thing, I think, and I think probably what went wrong, was you have to make sure that you are in the correct term. All right, so you want to make sure that you are in spring semester 2021. That's probably what went wrong and the reason you're getting a message that the class is full. It is not full. If you want to send me a screenshot of the exact message you got, I'll be happy to help you. But I hope this little video helps you to know how to get into the class properly. Anyway, let me know if you have questions. Bye-bye.